Hello everyone, today we will talk about the top 3 Philippine coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay guys, this is the Philippine coin 50 centavo year 1983. The 50 centavo error coin is a misspelling on the reverse where the scientific name of the Philippine eagle was written as Petikov Haga Jeffrey instead of the correct Petikov Haga Jeffrey. The error occurred on the Flora and Fauna series coins before the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP corrected its making the 9883 coin with the misspelling is up after collectible for coins into trust. Okay guys, in front of this coin, you will see here is just like a common coin, but at the back of this coin I will show you that there is an error coin. So if you have a coin like this one, please check it very careful because it might be a valuable coin. I will coin focus the coin. You will see here the name of the Philippine eagle, Petikov Haga. If you see here and a letter B, the letter B, that is a error. That is an error. Letter B as in boy, that is an error. So the correct spelling is letter P. Okay. So check your packet. If you have a coin like this, the letter B, that is the error coin. Okay guys, it might be this coin is a valuable and collectible since 1983 until now. So check your packet if you have a coin like this. Anyway, as we continue, we will talk about the 20 peso coin. This coin is year 2021. In front of this, you will see the portrait of Manuel L. Quezon. This is just like a common coin in front of this coin. But I will show you the error in this coin. Because this is the first time I received a coin like this one. But anyway, let's continue. I will show you the other side of this coin. Okay. I will focus the coin. We'll make it the focus. You will see here a small circle. This is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, this one. At the center there is a bird. And on this side there is the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And I saw something here that there is a miss or wrong spelling, I mean. Okay? The letter S of the Pilipinas was missing. There is no letter S here. This is the Pilipinas. Okay? There is no letter S. Yan. The letter S was missing. Okay, guys? If you receive a coin like this one, 20 peso coin, check it carefully because it might be one of the most valuable coin, especially if there is an error coin. This coin I have right now is what you call this, the letter S was missing. Anyway, as we continue, let's talk about the 1978 1 peso coin. So this 1978 Philippine coin is part of ang bagong lipunan series featuring Jose Rizal with millions printed and generally low collector value. The uncirculated condition for regular issues but highly more for special FM frankly meant uncirculated version valued around $4.10 making them common but interesting historical pieces. Guys, if you have a coin like this 1 peso coin 1978, please check it carefully. If you see like a mint mark, we can consider as a mint mark. I'm not really sure that is a mint mark. Small and tiny FM in this coin meaning that is a collectible coin. Okay, small tiny FM in this coin. Check carefully if you have a coin like this. So if you see them, a small tiny FM, meaning that is a collectible coin. So the value of this coin, I'm not sure. It depends on the collectors. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.